Total Oil bamukolera baganda bafa boda mumwine mumufune ajja kubeera nga bakolera ensonga ezitambulira bulungi nnyo. Songs of Spice Girls to become one in the Kai's moment right about now. The baddest big man is right here in the building. You don't know, sir. You must welcome Mr. Kai in the Kai's moment.
Yes, of course. I'm here now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's the time.
Because
the situation is not good. All the schools are shut. And we are going to start developing children's home lectures, home teaching,
home now.
Homeworks. We are going to teach them. Yeah, because
students are home.
Yeah,
students.
And we are doing this one for as a good Samaritan. We don't charge you.
As a good Samaritan.
You parents, we are not going to charge you money.
Hey.
Except if you call us and say you have some pigs to eat, you can call us.
And we come.
When it becomes the bottom of your heart, then you catch a pig, you see, old masters come and enjoy and eat it. We eat it.
That is all.
Yeah, that's all. But we are not going to charge your school fees. No. We are Ugandan.
We are going to teach you, but no charge.
No charge.
Okay.
Because we are Uganda. Uganda is on our heart. We are building Uganda. We are by Uganda. Let us build the weather of the children is good.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kai.
Yes.
The students are at home listening to you.
Yes.
They want to know.
They are going to know because I'm here.
They want to learn. They want to know much.
Allow me to take this Nanka. To sending a greetings to Princess Narumaga. Kalisis, one of the upcoming artists.
Oh,
he's a singer.
Princess Narumaga from Kalisis.
Kalisis.
Big up.
Sing. You name your songs here because we are.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all.
How many types of farming do we have?
In what way?
Here in Uganda.
Okay, in Uganda.
Thank you.
I'm five.
Yes.
Not give me balance. Because you have asked me a very big question, very important, very curriculum, very sensitive thing. What are you? How many types of farming do we have? That's why I'm coming there. I'm going to answer your question.
Just to mention that.
Because the question you ask me is very, very important, and I think the children who is sitting down at home, they are going to be achievement of this question. They are going to achieve.
How many types of farming do we have?
The type of
just
farming.
Just to mention the number.
Yes, the type of farming. We have many types of farming. You know that. Many.
Okay, give me.
Because you know that children which is home. I want to introducing them for that lecture we are going entering in. And that children, I want to be achievement of them for that what I'm going to teach them.
Tell them, sir.
We have farming, types of farming. But after telling that the type of farming, what is farming? Because you cannot learn the type of farming. People they don't know what is farming. What is farming?
What is farming?
Farming is agriculture when the man or woman can agriculturing. If you have a land, you can agriculturing some crops, the different crops. You know that. You catch a hole or you catch a tractor and you go to the land. You can when you preparing your land with the tractor or the hand horns. Hoes. Yes. There's handcraft hoes. You can use it. If you not use a tractor, use a handcraft hoes.
That is farming.
No. I'm going to tell you.
So in brief, tell us that
farming is big. It's not a little thing. When you go to expand it, the farming is big. It's not farming is not like as you see as you think. No, farming when you're expanding the farming, farming.
Yeah.
Don't even joke with farming. Farming is very important. When you are a farmer, farming. When cannot live in Uganda without any farming.
What is farming?
Yes, I'm going to come there. I'm going to say that. I'm going to answer a question. Huh? But, you know, I have a problem. I cannot answer the question without preparing those who are answering this question. Because I don't know anything. To ask me again.
But I get to wateka go ubulizi. What is farming?
Yes, yes, of course.
Wateka.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to introduction you. What is farming?
Farming?
Farming, you first have a garden, soil. The guy will have a soil. You cannot. Can you be a farmer without any having a land? Farming is a land. Because you cannot be a farmer. Can you farmer in a good heaven?
Neither.
You first have a land and you become a farmer.
What is farming?
Yes, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to answer that.